Hello everyone, welcome to Patashala's video series on Python. Today we would be looking at data types in Python. So when we say data types in Python, so there are basically 4 data types that we have in Python. First is integer, the second one is a float number, the third one would be string, the fourth type is boolean. So first we will look at the string data type. For this, let's take an example. So whenever we take any input from a user, which is what is your name, and if we save this to a variable that is user underscore name is equal to this, and if you run this program, it would take in the input and we just give in the details in the runtime. Now in order to see which data type this is, what I could do is print the type of user underscore name. So I could type this and this would give me the actual type of the user input. So this is saying that the class is string. So this is one example of string. We could also define them directly in the username 2 is demo, right? So if I do the same print function with a type for the second variable, which is username 2, I would be also getting a string. In the same way, if you define something like a username 3, right, and you just define demo, so this would not be accepted as a variable as of such, because this would be giving us an error. So it should always be defined. Variables, if they are strings, should always be defined in double inverted commas. So this is the first data type, which is string, and it's really easy to print and add strings. We have already seen that. So if we have a simple print function which says hello and then world, so all of this is actually strings. So basically strings are written in double inverted commas, so anything in double inverted commas in Python can be considered as a string variable. So this is how this entire thing works. So if I run this same program, so it would give me a hello world. So this is the string data type. In the next video we would be looking at integer and float data types. For now, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the content, please like, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for joining. Keep having a great day.